If you're running a Shopify store and you're still guessing why people buy, you're leaving thousands of dollars on the table. I've helped stores scale past 6 and 7 figures, and these 3 triggers work every single time, no matter what the product is. Trigger number 1, fear of missing out. Humans hate missing out. When something feels limited or about to run out, the brain does this switch. It goes from, do I really need this, to, if I don't get this now, I may never get it. And Amazon nails this. With only 3 left in stock, order soon. This tiny little banner drives millions in sales. Shopify stores can do the same. When a customer feels like they're missing out, hesitation disappears and action takes over. So how to use this in a Shopify? Add a real stock counter. Only 5 left in stock. Or you could do something like running low, 8 sold in the last 24 hours. Make it legit. Faking scarcity will kill your trust. You can use urgency banners, like this deal ends in 24 hours. Early bird discount ends tonight. Or maybe Black Friday pricing disappears at midnight. And instead of saying just buy now, say don't miss out. Hundreds are adding this to your cart right now. Trigger number 2, authority bias. People trust authority. When someone credible endorses something, we believe it to be good. Think Gymshark. It didn't just grow because it had good products, which was true. It really grew because influencers wore it. Customers thought, if this trusted person uses it, it must be good. The more authority signals you can show, the faster customers trust you and the quicker they're gonna buy. So how do we use this in Shopify? Put your best reviews above the fold. Don't bury them at the bottom like most people do. Use influencers or experts for endorsements. Even micro-influencers work if your customer already follows them. Show real proof of customers, like user-generated content, photos and videos of real people using your product. This builds trust instantly. Trigger number 3, loss aversion, fear or regret. People fear losing something twice as much as they enjoy gaining it. If I say, you could win $20, you're kind of interested. But if I say you're about to lose $20, if you don't act, your brain, it panics. This is loss aversion. Pain drives action faster than pleasure. So how do we use this in Shopify? We want to use price anchoring. Was $99, now $59. Only 24 hours left. The fear that you are going to lose a $40 discount. Highlight what they'll miss. The bundle won't come back once it's sold. Early bird bonuses disappear at midnight. You want to turn those bonuses into limited time losses. Order today and get a free gift. It won't be available after tonight. When people feel regret creeping in, they are going to act. A little fear of missing out can double your conversion. This is how I apply psychology to every brand that I work with. If you want to see me break this down live, audit real stores, fix conversion killing mistakes step by step, check out my second channel. I've left the link in the description. I know you'll love it, and I'll see you in the next video.